Let's clean our skin with agrado. First, use the micellar water on a cotton pad. Gently remove makeup and any build-up dirt from your skin. It's perfect for sensitive skin. Second, use the cleansing milk. Apply it on your hands. Gently rub it on your skin. Deeply cleanse the skin and adds moisture to your cleaning routine. Remove the excess product with a cotton pad. Finally, use the tonic. Apply it on a cotton pad. The tonic cleans the skin, leaving a feeling of freshness. Now your skin is clean and ready for your skincare routine.